Jason, thank you for hosting today.
Our
This is
pleasure.
a great facility.
Thank you.
What did you take away from today's session?
So I think what I took away from today's session was the power of knowledge and what it can do for you, either as a current business owner, somebody who's growing to sell, or somebody who's looking to sell. For somebody like myself that's in the middle of growing an organization and continuing to look at process procedures and how we can increase our revenue and increase our value, there's a ton of tools
Great.
that I thought we could use and implement here at our company.
Tell me a little bit about your company.
So E&A Consulting Group is a real estate development civil engineering firm. We focus on real estate developers from soup to nuts of everything you walk, drive, and build on, and everything underneath. And that's what we do.
Well, it's a great tradition that you've set up and what you've done in your systems and so forth. My name is Dale Richards. I'm a Vistage speaker. I've spoken over 450 times across the country. I want to tell you that Vistage is probably the most important decision an executive can make to improve their personal life and their business life. As a chair for 8 years, my group increased their value 3 to 10 times over that period of time. So I highly recommend Vistage. And we have methodologies, my top 10 ways to double, triple revenue, profits, and value. I shared with the group 3 of those today, along with certified valuation principles. So thanks for joining us. Jason, thanks for hosting. It was a great opportunity to be here.
Thank you. Pleasure.
Thank you.